Hey yo, what's good everybody? It's your host Chris without a H, aka Chris the Barber. Y'all already know. And for today's video, I got a banger for y'all feel me? I did a nice clean mid fade with the dope design and hope y'all like this video. So for my first step, I'll be using my magic clippers and I'll be using no guards, lever fully closed for my first guideline. If y'all are wondering why I left the bulk in the bottom, I'll be using my wall detailers to ball that out. So for my next step, I'll be using my number 1 guard lever fully closed, and I'll be going up about 1 inch. Alright bro, chill. So for my next guideline, I'll be using no guards and I'll have the lever fully open. So I go back and I use no guards and I'll be using lever play. And lever play is like when I switch up the lever wherever I need to. Yeah. Next guideline, I'll be using my 1.5 guard and I'll be going 1/4 inch lever closed. If y'all new to my channel, please like and subscribe. This will help out your boy. Next guideline, I'll be using my number 1 guard and I'll be using the lever play technique. step, I'll be using the clipper over comb technique. The clipper over comb technique is super useful, especially with this cut. Let's say if I use the number 2 guard all the way up, this cut would not look the same. So after the cut, I'll be using my comb and I'll be spraying some water on the top of my client's hair for its shear work. So for my next step, I'll be using my shears and I'll be cutting 1/4 of an inch of my client's hair. And for those who don't believe me, here's proof that I cut the top of the hair. Ooh, yeah, Crystal Barber. Alright, I'll stop. Like I said, I was gonna go back and use my wall detailers, that way I could ball them. This is gonna leave a guideline, so I use my magic clippers and I'll be erasing that guideline it made. So I was brushing my client's hair and I'll be using my wall detailers to line him up. Damn, that hairline looking crispy. Y'all can't tell me it's not. So for my client's right side, I'll be making a hook like a C-type shape, you know, like curved. I don't know how to explain it, but y'all know what I mean. So I didn't record the other side. Well, actually I did, but I cut it because it wasn't recording. Like I had to move the camera and I didn't notice. No, alright, I'll stop. After giving my client that clean lineup, I'll be using again my wall detailers. I'll be starting to make the design. So y'all see how I'm putting my hand over the design? Well, I could barely see it, but y'all could clearly see it. So yeah, I was just trying to shape it up, you know. After spraying some water on the design, I'll be using my Persona straight razor, and I'll be using my razor for a crisper look. Alright, so going back with my wall detailers, I was like, alright, this cut ain't gonna cut it. So forget it. Alright, I'll stop. And I added a touch to, like, I was like, alright, I think this looked badass. So I was like, alright, let me put this in the cut. And it actually turned out to look really cool. And after adding my touch of perfection, then I'll be going back and I'm gonna be using my straight razor for a crisper look. Yo, check it. Yo, this cut looking fresh though. Y'all can't tell me it's not. But other than that, this was the cut. If y'all new to my channel, please like and subscribe. This will help out your boy. And this is Chris without a H, aka Chris the Barber, and I'm out.